If Snapchat messages are not sent on your Android device, the first thing you should do is check your internet connection. Ensure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. If the network is weak or unstable, switch to another one or try turning airplane mode on and turn it back off. Next, restart the Snapchat app or force stop it from settings, then apps, app management or manage apps depends on your phone model. Then find Snapchat from the list. Tap on it, then tap on force stop. Then reopen it and try sending the message again. Sometimes app cache issues can interfere with message delivery. Clear the app's cache by going to settings again, apps, app management or manage apps, then Snapchat again, storage, then clear cache. Also make sure Snapchat has all necessary permissions, especially for storage and network access. Head to the settings again, apps, app management, then Snapchat. Now permissions and allow all relevant ones. Ensure the Snapchat app is updated to the latest version via Google Play Store. If nothing works, try logging out and logging back in, or uninstall and reinstall the app. If this issue persists, it might be a temporary server-side problem. So check if Snapchat is down using websites like Down Detector or the Snapchat support Twitter page or any other social media platforms. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.